All right, so we are practicing some self-care
Yes.
right now.
But you know why? Because self-care is the best care. That's my mantra this year. Self-care is the best care.
That's excellent.
And the doctors are the worst patients. So I'm gonna change that.
Yeah, it's kind of like the cobbler's kids that have holes in their shoes.
Yes.
Yeah, where doctors and nurses are notorious for being horrible patients.
But it's changing.
This is Megan, our
Hi.
PA extraordinaire. So, can you describe what it is that you are doing?
Well,
right
I'm
now?
doing what we call functional wellness treatment for my wrists because I have weak wrists from carpal tunnel and just from an old injury with a wrist fracture. So I have DJD, arthritis. And there's not a lot of good treatment, as you know, that's for this, that's beyond physical therapy and pain medicine. Both of them don't do well for me, but this is a legitimate treatment that decreases my pain without pain medicine. And I love it because the treatment is not painful, it's easy. It's one of those treatments that you do and walk away with no downtime. There's no risk. And I basically just have to put these pads that deliver high intensity frequency electromagnetic energy to my wrists and radio frequency, which is heat, to my wrists for 30 minutes, and I have decreased pain and increased mobility. It's wonderful.
And what is that sort of ticking and buzzing?
So that is the supramaximal contractions that are happening at the level of the muscle fibers, and it's incredibly interesting and exciting because it's technology that is amazing and new, and we have it at SilverMD.
And so this is the technology here. This is M-Sculpt Neo.
Functional
and
wellness.
This is the functional wellness aspect. And so what's really nice about this is in late 2024, they came out with a software upgrade that gave an entirely different aspect and treatment to M-Sculpt Neo. So this device is known in the aesthetics community for helping people tone muscles, to lose fat, and essentially sculpt certain areas of the body. But now with this functional aspect, we are able to focus on pain. We're also able to focus on problem areas that in the past may have required injections like steroids or even surgery. But now with some of the modalities that we have, and particularly combining these energy frequency modalities, we're able to solve a lot of issues. So with this device, what is this device that you are sitting on?
This is what we call our M-Cella chair. And so this chair is really focused on giving pelvic floor contractions for many reasons. Women with incontinence issues, men with erectile dysfunction issues. And what we know is that the pelvic floor is the stability of the entire body. So it really can help with lower back pain.
And then how long is the treatment?
So this treatment is only 30 minutes.
28 minutes space out.
28 minutes.
28 minutes. And is it painful?
It is not painful. What you can feel is a contraction through all of the muscles of your pelvic floor. We situate patients comfortably. You can have a blanket on your lap. You can wear minimal clothing, but you're still in your regular clothes. And you sit on
clothes on.
Yes.
And it's nice because you just don't want to have metal. Like if you have a metal belt, you take that off. But it's great because it doesn't hurt, and it approximates 11,000 Kegel contractions in the 28-minute period.
Wait, did you say 11 with 3 zeros behind it?
Yes, 11,000. So you cannot ever do that on your own. And I don't know any man that could do a Kegel effectively either. So It helps with what we call sexual enhancement and incontinence for both men and women, because it's increasing the pelvic floor muscles to keep them more stable and strong. And that's why it helps with pain and stability, incontinence, and enhances sexual health. So come give it a try at Silva MD.